kind of starting to feel bad. I've been kind of cranky since I broke my leg last week. Kind of feeling bad about him. And I've been cleaning my ham desk off. Looks like I'm going to be doing some repair work here till I can walk again. Anyway, him. Feeling bad, man. I took jabs at the Purists. Purists or no Purists, I would have put that on there anyway. I feel like maybe I rubbed it in a little. And I'm a purist. Well, I'm not a purist. I'm a kind of restorer. I will restuff the caps, the paper wax caps. I'm restuffing them. When I restore something else, like if I were to restore this and sell it, inside the case comes a little bag with all the original parts. I'm serious. I save every bit of original hardware and electronics and, keep it with the machine, man. So when I clown on you purists, it's all in good nature.